Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I thought I'd look at their little display area here just to see what they have. So here they have the glasses that say congratulations, this is for graduation. This Stay Fancy is I've seen before. Look at this one, says happy birthday, in class in hand, confetti in hair, bachelorette bash, and Stay Fancy. Okay, I don't see anything new, but this one down here, what does this say? This one is for the birthday, happy birthday. One of them says happy Mother's Day. That's this one, guys. That's really neat. Let's see what else they have on this side. They have this feather over here, and then from New Year's, this is all stock. Happy New Year's 2020. This one says celebrate. And here they have, like, these look like eggs, candles, and they have them on the screen too, guys. Then they have this trinket tray in the shape of a heart. Then they have the graduation mugs, guys, and these two time. Then the journey begins. They have the little things in life, that one. And then in the back there it says future misses. So here they have one of these ceramic sea trinkets, and then they have these angels, and then all walls jewelry holders. And here's some more Mother's Day wine glasses. More of these trinket trays on the bottom. There are just 3 left. Now remember the size of these big jars, guys? So here they only have them in the green, and here's some more angels. So now if we come over here, we have this cross, we have this trinket tray, and here's the white apple. I like that. So here's some more sea ceramics. Those are really nice. And over there says future misses and birthday girl shot glasses, and then they have these. So on this side over here, well, on this side up here, they have Happy Teacher's Day. Teaching is a work of the heart. And then they have the mermaid tails. Those are really nice trinket trays. And these over here says choose joy, and I said yes. Then they have these. So now over here it says super mom. Then mom is home is where mom is. They have the barbecue skewers, and then they have the barbecue grilling stuff. This is nice for barbecue day for the guys. Well, for anybody, but Father's Day's coming too. So here's the grilling towels. These are really nice, and then these are really nice too. And here are the pot holders to go with it. And then you have all of the cleaning supplies and the grilling trays. We have some of these baskets, and they come in different sizes. And here they have those cleaning towels up here. They have the cups, they have these containers. Look at these buckets. They have the huge popcorn thing. So nothing is really in this place, guys. So this is what they have on this side. This is the containers for the serving trays for outside. And these buckets are really nice. Here you have all of your utensils and your little spatulas and stuff like that. You have all of your pot holders and the clips for your chips on this side. On this side you have all of your hand towels and your oven mitts and some of these wall stickers. Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. We're just kind of scrolling around. They don't have everything out of the boxes, guys, but I showed you what I could. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.